Hey, what is up, guys? It's Eddie Wingate, and I got a new bike check for you guys. So yeah, let me just start from the top. My bars are Fit Brian Foster signature bars with Fit grips. I have Mission component front load. I got like some whatever caps, I don't know. I have some McNeil forks. They're pretty good. They're really light. I have Odyssey Chase Hawk tires front and back. I have a Revenge hoop laced to Alienation front hub, sealed female axle. I have the G Sport hub guard in the front. I have a Colt OS V3 frame. I have a S&M bottom bracket with Mission Transit cranks. Odyssey 25 sprocket with a regular KMC full link chain. Revenge hoop in the back with I think I don't know what hub it is. I'm not really sure. I have some ramp pedals, just they're whatever. But then I have some, what are they? Odyssey M pegs, pretty light, really good. And I have a pivotal. I don't know what pivotal post, but I have a FA pivotal seat. And yeah, this is my bike. I have my sponsor sticker, Robbie's. It's my local bike shop. But yeah, guys, this is my bike, and I want to say my bike weighs around 26, probably, yeah, like 26 pounds. It's pretty good. I'm really not a weight person. I like weights, whatever. The hub is really not that loud. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. I greased it, so yeah. Alright, guys. Like, comment, rate my bike, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.